If we look at Tuesday, the 11th, then we have an 11 and 11, a 7 and 9, and the path is a 4. So today we have twice the 11. So today is really a day for planning, for listening to the divine plan, and see what the divine plan wants you to do. Because the 10 or the 11 is connected to the universe. So align yourself, listen, feel, take time, and know that all steps are needed. All steps, you cannot skip any. It's just not working like that. So all the steps that needs to be taken, just take them step by step. And this is a day to really set your foundation. So this is a day to look ahead. What is it that, where is my light needed? What is it that I want to do, and where can I shine? And how can I shine my light on those around me so they are being uplifted? And find this rhythm and structure to move along and to take the first step. And that's it for today.